Assalamualaikum my YouTube family, welcome back to Aways Family Vlogs and welcome back to another brand new vlog। तो सबसे पहले सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, शेयर कर दें, कमेंट कर दें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा क्योंकि आगे आने वाले हैं आपके लिए बहुत अच्छे अच्छे से व्लॉग्स। सो फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। तो मैं ये कह रही थी कि बच्चों का हुआ था स्पोर्ट्स डे। हमज़ा का तो मैंने आपको सारा दिखा दिया था। अब बारी है हारिस की, क्योंकि हारिस ने बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त किस्म की परफॉर्मेंस दी थी योगा की। यानी कि हारिस का ना डिस्प्ले था, योगा डिस्प्ले। तो हारिस बहुत दिन से घर में भी प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था। माशाल्लाह से मुझे इतना क्यूट लग रहा था ना, मुझे इस पर बहुत प्यार आता था जब ये प्रैक्टिस कर रहा होता था योगा की। तो हारिस ने बहुत अच्छा डिस्प्ले किया। पूरे मतलब जितने भी स्कूल में इनके सारे बच्चे थे ना, जो प्राइमरी लेवल के थे, सब ने बहुत अच्छी योगा परफॉर्मेंस किया। तो बस वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा और आगे बहुत अच्छी सी हारिस की योगा परफॉर्मेंस आपको नज़र आएगी। और अभी ये तिलावत करना, अभी स्टार्टिंग है प्रोग्राम इनका स्पोर्ट्स डे। तो अभी तिलावत होगी, फिर उसकी ट्रांसलेशन होगी, फिर ये कोई मिली नगमा वगैरह पढ़ेंगे, फिर नेशनल एंथम भी होगा। तो बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है, बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है। प्लीज़ वीडियो को मिस मत करना, एंड तक देखिएगा। I seek Allah from in performers. Let's wave and make some noise for our young Arabic squad for the early. With pride and passion, march on through. We are cheering for you. The tree pose. Yogis are seen as being healthy and making conscious decisions to engage themselves in activities that are developing their mind, body and soul. The mountain pose. The mountain pose is a melting pot of myriad skills and abilities, where yogis are seen working together in synchronization with each other, maintaining eye-to-eye coordination and communication.
The Star Pose. Star Pose is an active yoga posture that opens and energizes the chest and facilitates deep breathing. Ladies and gentlemen, yogis are now displaying a Star Pose variation. Yogis are now displaying yet another Star Pose variation. The Frog Pose. Frog Pose is a powerful stretch that targets the inner thighs and improves range of motion, flexibility and relieving stress. The Flamingo Pose. The Flamingo Pose in yoga is a playful and challenging balancing posture that mimics the graceful stance of a flamingo. This pose challenges your balance and helps to improve focus. The Warrior Pose. This yoga posture strengthens the arms, shoulders and legs. It helps maintain balance in the body. It also is truly incredible. The Camel Pose. The Camel Pose is also known as the heart opener. It is said to be tied to your sense of compassion, love, acceptance and forgiveness. This posture encourages us to open up in different areas of our lives, to find new spaces and to live a life with an open heart. This yoga posture is both grounding and energizing with a powerful symbolization of the lotus. It is said a lotus is rooted to the mud and when it grows, it blooms into a beautiful flower. Lotus pose is an essential foundation for meditation practice. The lotus further stretches the front of your legs and ankles. The Butterfly Pose. Ladies and gentlemen, yogis are now displaying the Butterfly Pose. This is widely practiced for calming, relaxation and improving mental health, flexibility and reduces tension. The Bridge Pose. The Bridge Pose is a back bend yoga pose that resembles a bridge. Bridge pose engages the core muscles including the abdominals and lower back, promoting better posture and spinal stability. The Reverse Table Pose. The reverse table provides a deep stretch to the upper body, including shoulders, chest and spine. This posture builds strength throughout the core muscles and the muscles surrounding the spine. It further improves balance and movement. Excellent, young yogis. The Boat Pose. The Boat Pose is a challenging core strengthening yoga posture that resembles the shape of a boat. Balancing in boat pose challenges your stability. This pose can stimulate the abdominal organs, aiding in digestion. The Caterpillar Pose. The Caterpillar Pose stresses the ligaments along the back of the spine. It compresses the stomach organs, which helps strengthen the organs of digestion. This pose provides a full body stretch and is perfect for eliminating stress. The Cobra Pose.
Cobra pose.
Is practiced for opening up the shoulder blades, neck muscles and collarbones. It is also used for improving spinal posture, flexibility and alignment. The Cat Pose. Cat pose is a gentle back bend that stretches the spine and improves flexibility. It improves range of motion in the back, helps to relieve stress and tension. circulation and calms the nervous system. The cow pose. The cow pose is a gentle back bend that stretches the front of the body, particularly using mobility and flexibility, and improves range of motion in the back. The child pose. The child pose is a deeply relaxing and restorative yoga posture. It's often used as a resting pose between more challenging postures. It calms the nervous system, reduces stress, and promotes a sense of easing mobility and flexibility, and improves range of motion in the back. The child pose. The child pose is a deeply relaxing and restorative yoga posture. It's often used as a resting pose between more challenging postures. It calms the nervous system, reduces stress, and promotes a sense of. They are now balancing the beanbags on their heads. The star pose. The yogis are now displaying the star pose while balancing beanbag. They are displaying star pose and rotation. What a phenomenal sight! It's truly incredible. Thank you so much, young yogis of nursery. That was absolutely phenomenal to watch. Truly amazing. We are really proud of this Zephyr Corporation. We have made some space here now.
अभी वो अपनी पोजीशन लेंगे पोजीशन अभी अपनी पोजीशन लेंगे
Cheer them up, everyone. Way to go. Keep going. What an incredible shift of the partner. Keep striving for your goal.
हारिस जल्दी ओ टाइम लो रह गया
Here we have our finalists.
बहुत अच्छा हारिस ने किया है। चलो